Hello friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, friends, I will also show you how you can quickly and easily change your iPhone password. Be sure, friends, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also please write your comments after watching this video. And let us get down to this topic. In order for you to change your password, you will need to go into settings on your iPhone. And then please scroll down to the bottom and find the section called Face ID and Password. Next, enter the password that you currently have in effect on your phone. Now scroll down to the bottom, and you're gonna have to, folks, find a section called Change Password. Click on it. Once again, enter the active password of your device. Now you can proceed to create a new password. You can also click on the options and select the password you would like to create for yourself. For example, a 4-digit numeric password, a 6-digit code of numbers, also possibly a graphic key, and so on. Choose whatever you feel comfortable with, and then enter the password you want. Next, you'll need to click Change, and you will see that your password will be changed. This is a very quick and easy method. Friends, you can easily change the password on any iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you soon.